Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this video today, we're going to be dealing with audio cutting in and out in Insta360 Studio. So basically you have a video like this one here. Once you export it, you have a problem with audio playing for 3 or 4 seconds, then going blank for 3 or 4 seconds, then starting again. So it's basically an audio cycle of on, off, on, off, on, off continually. So in order to fix that problem, you're going to need to go to settings, go down to preferences, and then here you've got the codecs option screen and exporter codec. So make sure you disable hardware decoder and hardware encoder. You can leave the rest enabled. And once you've done that, close out of the window and then export your file as you normally would. And you should have no problems with your audio cutting in and out. Again, you can also do this if you have flickering at the bottom of your screen. The same two options cause issues for that. So just to disable those and you should have no problems. Anyway, that pretty much wraps up this guide. If you have any questions, don't forget to ask in the comments. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in another video. Cheers, everyone.